Oh, this is a better one. This is a better one. Get your bass up here. There we go. Welcome back, you guys. Welcome back to another episode here of, why did I say episode? Like, this is a TV series. So welcome back, you guys. My name is Abel from Valley Shenanigans. We're out here today at the SJR, the San Joaquin River. We're here with our buddy Andrew. We're all pretty much anchored down. We're out here with my buddy Titus from TNT9 Fishing. I'll put him in the description below. Go check him out. You guys show him some love, you know. We out here producing good quality content for y'all. Go check them out. Gonna be throwing a little jerkbait action today. That shadow wrap. That slow sinking one. First one of the day. It's as big as my lure, literally. That is wild. Little guy was crazy for it. Hold on, fella. Hold on. Hold on. Look at that. What in the world? There's one. There's one. There's one. There's one. Second one of the day. Little dinkers, man. What's going on here? All three hooks in them. Call me the dink slayer. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh. Woo! There it is. Beautiful one. Yes, sir. Oh, beautiful fish. Get a drink, sir. He's ready to go. Man, I've been having a lot of luck with this Rappala today. Pretty good day. All right. So far, we got 3 of them. Let's go for that 4th one. One more chance. One more chance, buddy. One more chance. Woo-hoo-hoo! He went for it, but I didn't get him, no. I was not recording any of that. All right, so this is the 4th one of the day, you guys. Unfortunately, I did not have my GoPro on. Pretty good one. I was trying to get this nice 3-pound spotty I seen right there. All right, you guys. So far, we've landed 4 on this nice, beautiful jerkbait. I'm a Rappala guy, man, so I have a few Rapalas. Just got this one out of the box this morning, and it's doing wonders for me. I see a nice little 6-7 inch bass right here. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is a better one. This is a better one. Get your bass up here. There we go. 5th one of the day. on that Rappala. Man, this Rapala's just killing it. 5th one. Oh my God, this Rapala's money. They're all little dinkers, but 5th one right here. Interesting. Check this out. This guy got some parasites going on. Look at his tail, you guys. Right here by his fin. Interesting. Fifth one of the day. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. All right, so I almost fell earlier. Let's see. I was throwing out that chatterbait for a while, but nothing. Let's go back to that jerkbait. It's been real good to us today. Don't know why we stopped throwing it out. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, he broke off. Yeah. Jerk. First cast on the jerk again, bro. Oh, dude. That was going to be my 6th one. That was a good one, bro. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. First cast on the jerkbait, you guys. And that felt like a good one. I seen him. Probably like 1.5 pounds too. I seen him. Man. Hey, what's up, brother?
What's going on?
Not much. Just here, you know, doing our thing.
Where are you guys at right now?
Right here, kind of about where you launched your, where you parked your car.
The money pond?
Yeah, where you parked your car. We're like right here in the river. You want to catch a pike minnow? Just throw on a fluke.
Yeah, I've been thinking about that. I seen one yesterday.
Oh, you seen them?
I seen one, yeah.
Bro, you got to catch one, bro. They fight like crazy. Yeah, dude.
Alrighty, man. Let you get to fishing.
Hell yeah, brother. Fucking, I appreciate you calling in, brother. All right, let's get it. Oh, yeah. Oh, there it is. Oh my God, I lost him. Dude, what the heck was that? Oh gosh, dude, that was such a violent bite. What the heck was that? Jesus Christ, what was that? Oh my God, bro. That's the best bite I've had all day. He was on for a split second. Yeah. He must have like got it in his gill plate or something. Where'd you drop it?
I dropped all my shit right here in the current. I just tried to go right there. That was it.
Oh, that's because that fucking train's heavy right there, man. You okay though? You good?
Yeah.
Are you okay, man?
I thought I was gonna drown for a second, but I'm all right.
All right, man. As long as you're okay, brother.
All right, I gotta get my stuff, dude.
Yeah, I'll take your yak to the bank, brother. Don't even trip. You want me to take?
I gotta anchor down right now.
Yeah, because you don't want to. You can't be in that current, bro.
How can I find my stuff?
Right now, you post up right here.
There you go. Oh shit, you good, bro?
Bro. I lost my rods and reels, bro. I kept the fish. My biggest fear fucking happened.
Yeah, never go against the...
Yeah, never go.
I wasn't even trying to, man. I was just trying to. And then that shit fuck out.
Yeah, you can't.
So where?
You
My
can't.
shit could be like right here, huh? Cause I fell right here, and then I got pushed like right here.
I think it might, if wherever you fell, a few feet down, because that's where they probably settled down on the bottom. Down there.
Or use one of your poles and fish for it.
Tie a big ass fucking.
Yeah, big ass treble hook.
Big ass
weight,
treble hook.
Drag it on the bottom. You get
Fuck,
some.
that's the
nice-
only way I kept my hat,
bro,
dude.
I'll do the same thing right now, bro.
Yeah, bro, I've had this happen to me.
Dude,
That's why I was telling you guys when we came down.
I thought I was gonna fucking die right now, dude.
Because
Fuck, bro.
Holy fuck, I thought I was gonna fucking die right now, dude.
I wouldn't have let you drown, bro.
I'm not even gonna lie,
I would have
dude.
saved your life. Yeah, I heard that happen, bro, and I was thinking, why do you go up to the current part? It's dangerous, bro.
That shit just like
You can't-
spins you.
Yeah, you can't fight it. You have to
like
let
that.
it go, bro. Let it turn you and let it
Yeah.
bring you down. You can't
You
fight
put
it.
a paddle on that, it's like putting an anchor. You
Mhm.
just,
That's exactly what happened. He tried to do that and he went down, but I just came to save his life, bro. Cause you can get dragged down by your bag, get
anything.
stuck by your leg, and you
Yeah.
get stuck on something, bro. You're done, bro. I almost lost my life in less current than this, bro. Was for somebody being with me.
That's what when I heard that, bro, I just thought about you, bro.
I didn't want to have to jump in, bro.
Bro, I'm glad you're okay, man. And I thought, fuck, I'm too far. Like, fuck, that's all right, bro.
This is my fault, bro. This is my fault. I came in at a terrible spot, thinking I was gonna be okay. But luckily, we worked on deep water re-entry. Okay.
Hey, you got in there though,
Yeah,
huh?
I did.
All right, guys. It's almost 2 o'clock here. We were just heading out, working our way back to the car, and the unthinkable happened. My buddy flipped his kayak, so here we are trying to snag his rods because he lost a few rods and a couple of other lures and stuff. And all you fishermen know this stuff ain't cheap, man.
Got my flipping rod back. Okay.
Over here recovered one of the rods.
I'm not gonna lie, dude. You're freaking legit.
Oh, hell yeah. We can get these back. Okay. Okay.
See where I was at? You guys remember where I was
Net.
I'm looking for them, bro. He's one hooked in, bro.
Oh my god.
See him? Get him. Oh, dude.
Oh my bad.
Oh, we're good.
Teamwork, my boy.
Got him.
That's your fish right there. Woohoo!
That is that one, huh? It's the same one.
Yeah,
It
it's
is,
the
bro.
same spot, bro.
I know.
It has to
As
be.
soon as I cast it right there, too, I did it.
Damn, that's fucking awesome, bro.
Kind of slimy. It's not out of the net yet. Oh, he's feisty. He or she's feisty.
Damn, it has a little hunchback, huh?
Yeah, it's a weird looking little.
A nice one, bro. Let me get that on camera, man.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, it is on camera. I've been recording the whole time.
Oh, there you go. Here we go.
Nice one. He came back for it.
Heck yeah.
We're heading out home today. Pretty eventful day today, to say the least, you know. We got on some fish today. We were fishing the SJR, the San Joaquin River. We launched by the old muddy pond. And we got on some fish. I got on 6 fish today. The good old jerkbait for the win. Every single one of those was on the jerkbait. Lost like 3 fish. Had a few other bites. My boy Titus over here got some fish as well. Got 2 fish. Where'd you get those fish on, man?
I actually caught those fish. I caught one on a spinnerbait, the Google Squad Zinger with it was the bluegill pattern. And then I caught another one on a drop shot with the drop shot worm I always use.
Oh, that's right.
The witching prawn. I don't want to say the actual word.
Yeah, I caught one on one of those. The one you gave me.
Yeah.
I actually caught one bass on that one. That was pretty cool. But, man, my boy Drew out there, he got on 2 bass. One right before we left near the launch area. He actually missed that bass in the morning on a frog, and 7 hours later comes back, throws a jerkbait at it, smashed it. All right, thanks for watching, man. Remember to smash that like button. Feel free to comment below. And I want to thank y'all for your support. I want to thank y'all for every like, every comment, every share. I know a lot of y'all like to mix the shorts on the YouTube, and I appreciate that. Shout out to you guys, man. I got 500 subscribers on YouTube, so channel's picking up, you guys. We're picking up on 2,400 followers on Instagram, and it's all thanks to you guys. I haven't forgotten about the giveaway, y'all.